नमस्कार। तो आज हम एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक लेकर के आए हैं और इस चैनल का ये पहला वीडियो है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। So today we are going to discuss about, obviously it's an area of where I am comfortable, very comfortable obviously, to address these. Okay, so let's begin. The today's subject that I am going to discuss here is, it is about economics. Yes, yes, because in this channel you will find major videos of economics. I'll be discussing economics, and I can assure you that the contents that you are going to get on this channel is quite different. Okay, I'll not I will prevent myself, or I will just escape from this you may say conventional way of teaching economics. Okay, because you might have seen people reciting that what is demand, what is supply, what is production, what is production function, and again quoting indifference curve, isocont curves, isocost, and all these things. There, this is not just economics. Okay, because you need to understand economics to its core. Okay, economics is not that a very vast subject, or that a very something that is critically required, or something that you should be this, you should be that in order to understand economics. Look, economics is just study of a society in a logical way. Okay, like if you are studying sociology, now see, in this video I am telling you that how to approach to study economics. आपका अप्रोच क्या होना चाहिए इकोनॉमिक्स पढ़ने के लिए, है ना। ये थोड़ा सा अलग चीज़ है। तो कुछ भी नहीं है, कुछ ज़्यादा इतना ही है। आपको बस ध्यान रखना है यहाँ पे कि आप क्या रहेंगे। कसम खाइए ना, ऐसे हाथ आगे करके कसम खाते हैं ना, जैसे सोल्जर्स व्हेन यू आर सर्विंग द नेशन, डैट मैं शपथ लेता हूँ कि मैं ये वे कसम खाते हैं ना, वैसे इकोनॉमिक्स में कसम खाना है that you will not leave rationality on any ground. Okay, you should be rational. Rationality means reasonable. Okay, reasonable. Okay, rational, being rational is being reasonable. Okay, you can define things, you can explain things. This is the primary requirement when you are studying economics. Okay, there is no such beliefs, there is no such you may say there is no such saying in economics. Okay, the only thing that is required is you should be rational. You should be able to prove that what you are assuming, and what are going to be consequences, what are the limitations, and what are its implications. These are very important thing which you need to uh, keep in mind while studying economics. Okay, so now let's begin with the definition of economics. What is economics basically? Okay, so you can find a number of definitions in economics, and one of that definition is, uh, you can see that economics is the study of society. Yes, economics is the study of society. Okay, so one more thing that I would like to add on, and that is subjectivity. Subjectivity. Okay, the only feature of economics is that it is subjective. That means its definition changes from person to person. What a person is perceiving, it depends on that context. So this is the primary objective of economics, that it is subjective. Now let's see some of the major definitions of economics. Okay, yes. So now we are going to see some of the famous definitions of economics given by some famous economists. Okay, so the first definition that we are going to mark on is the definition by Adam Smith. Okay, so now it would be better to introduce, first talk about Adam Smith, Alfred Marshall, Lionel Robbins, and Samuelson, Paul Samuelson. Okay, these are some of the definitions that have been given by them. Okay, so let's begin with it. So the first definition is wealth definition of by Adam Smith. Now, who is Adam Smith? First and foremost, a person must know that who is Adam Smith. Look, as I said, economics is the study of society. Okay, economics is basically study of society. Economics is study of society. Now, what is society? If economics is study of society, then what is sociology? है ना, बहुत बड़ा सवाल है कि भाई इकोनॉमिक्स अगर स्टडी ऑफ सोसाइटी इकोनॉमिक्स है तो सोशियोलॉजी क्या है फिर? तो देखिए क्या है ना कि हर चीज़ के पहलू होते हैं, है ना, हर चीज़ के पहलू होते हैं. पहलू का मतलब कि फेस, स्फीयर और डायमेंशन जिसको बोलते हैं. तो हर चीज़ों के डायमेंशंस होते हैं. डायमेंशंस मतलब क्या होगा कि आप कौन सा पक्ष देख रहे हैं, राइट? Like you all must have seen the moon, right? That some days are full moon day, some days are new moon day, some days are half moon day, waxing and waning of moon, these things are there. Okay, तो ऐसा नहीं कि चांद कट के अलग हो जा रहा है, आपको उसका वो पहलू दिख रहा है. जब आप पूर्णिमा के दिन जब आप चांद को देखते हैं तो उस दिन आपको चांद पूरा दिखता है गोल. इसका मतलब क्या होगा, आप उसका बस चमकदार पहलू देख रहे हैं, है ना. उसके अपोजिट अगर आप देखेंगे, उसके एकदम उलट में अगर आप जाकर देखेंगे तो उस दिन आपको दूसरे पक्ष में वो काला रहेगा, पूरा डार्क, है ना. कि अगर आप चांद के दो तरफ खड़े हैं, जैसे सपोज इफ यू आर हियर, ओके, दिस इज सपोज मून and you are standing here and your friend is standing this side, okay, and one more person is standing this side, okay, person A, person B, person C. Now if sun is this side, अगर sun इस तरफ है, इस तरफ अगर sun है तो obviously उस पे इतना जो पोर्शन रहेगा ये क्या रहेगा, लाइटेड पोर्शन. तो भैया ये बी जो इसको देखेगा ना इधर से, तो बी को लगेगा कि पूर्णिमा हो गया है ना, फुल मून दिख रहा है. ए को लगेगा कि अमावस्या है, और सी को लगेगा कि आधा चांद है. सी को आधा चांद दिख रहा है. मतलब क्या हुआ, चांद एक ही है, अलग अलग पहलू दिख रहा है सबको क्या हुआ, एक ही चीज़ का अलग अलग पहलू दिख रहा है ना. तो ऐसा ही कुछ है कि इकोनॉमिक्स इज द स्टडी ऑफ सोसाइटी. बेसिकली इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सोशल साइंस. इकोनॉमिक्स इज अ पार्ट ऑफ सोशल साइंस. Economics is a part of social science. Okay, we use scientific methods in economics. We use scientific methods to understand the society. Okay, so this society is actually, बहुत ही विचित्र चीज़ है बाबू सोसाइटी को समझना उतना आसान काम नहीं है. Society is actually, there is a center here, okay, and that center is called wealth, है ना. वेल्थ के अराउंड पूरा सोसाइटी क्या होता है, घूमता है. सारा सोसाइटी जो है वो वेल्थ के अराउंड घूम रहा है. पैसा है, देखो वेल्थ मतलब पैसा नहीं होता, ठीक है. वेल्थ मतलब बहुत कुछ. वेल्थ मतलब बहुत कुछ. पैसा हर चीज़ नहीं होता, पर वेल्थ सब कुछ होता है, आप ऐसा बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. पैसा बस वेल्थ का एक रूप है ना. वेल्थ का जब रूपांतरण होता है, ओके, द ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, okay, the appear transfer matlab the things are appearing how, okay, in what sense it is appearing. So wealth का एक रूप है पैसा. Okay, you must have heard that word, health is wealth. So now health is now another form of wealth. वेल्थ का एक दूसरा फॉर्म है वेल्थ. उसी तरह से हेल्थ जो है ना वो वेल्थ का एक दूसरा फॉर्म है. द सेम वे नॉलेज इज ऑल्सो वेल्थ. The same way you can see that the resources which you have, like the water coming from the hand pump, the field which you have from where you can grow vegetables, you can grow food, or your friends, they are also a kind of wealth only. And of course the money, okay, the currency which you see, Okay, that is also a kind of wealth. So these things are wealth. Okay, now the society is running around, the same thing that is called wealth. So another thing which a person needs to know when you are studying economics, that now the study of wealth, the study of wealth is called economics. Okay, that portion when you are studying is called wealth. That is why some of the economists, many of the economists have called economics as the queen of social science. Okay, why queen of social science? Because the wealth is the center, is the most epicenter where the society is roaming around, उसके इर्द गिर्द घूम रही है चक्र के तरह, है ना सोसाइटी। तो इसी को क्या बोलते हैं, वेल्थ बोले, है ना। इसीलिए उसको स्टडी को क्या बोलते हैं, इकोनॉमिक्स। okay, so let's go through the definitions. Okay, then I one by one I will tell you about all of these economists. Okay, now the first one, the definition given by Adam Smith, the wealth definition. That is why he is called the father of economics. Okay, father of classical economics. Okay, remember. Now the wealth definition was given by Adam Smith. According to this definition, economics is termed as the science of wealth, that is, the economy of a nation depends on the wealth generated through the goods and services. Okay, this includes the exports and imports of goods and services, which is indicated by consumption and production. Now understand one more thing. Okay, look, this Adam Smith, this Adam Smith is called the father of classical economics. Okay, now he's called the father, you know why? Because he was the one who introduced economics as a subject. Now you are studying economics just because of him, you can blame him for it. Okay, आप इन्हें blame कर सकते हैं economics के लिए, because this economics, Adam Smith is called father because he introduced it as a subject. उससे पहले भी इकोनॉमिक्स था, नहीं तो चाणक्य अर्थशास्त्र नहीं लिख पाते, ठीक है, इकोनॉमिक्स नहीं होता। तो इकोनॉमिक्स था उसके पहले, पर उसको हम लोग पढ़ते नहीं थे, ठीक है। वो हमारे करिकुलम, मतलब इससे पहले लॉजिक जो पढ़ते थे ना इंडिया में, तो उससे पहले वो इंट्रोड्यूस था उसी में, ठीक है, अलग से सब्जेक्ट बोल के नहीं था। यूरोप में तो और नहीं था। ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंड, इट्स scenario began with mercantilism. Then came physiocrats, and then came economists, classical economists. So this is how things began. So he was the one from the physiocrats, okay, Adam Smith, and then we reached to this academics where economics was taught. So let's see the definition of Alfred Marshall. According to Alfred Marshall, economics is defined as means to ends. Means to ends. Here, means are the goods and services that are available. The ends refer to the needs and requirements. Okay, okay. So the study of needs and how we fulfill the needs is economics according to Alfred Marshall. Now the scarcity definition given by Lionel Robbins. According to this definition of economics, the appropriate allocation of scarce resources is the main objective of economics. This definition studies the relation between human behavior and use of resources that are scarce to meet the requirements. Final and compromise definition, Paul Samuelson. This definition of economics is considered to be the complete amalgamation of previous definition. It states that, now see, if you study the definition of Paul Samuelson, you will get the entire concept of economics. That means all the previous definitions have been merged into this definition, and this definition of economics is considered to be the complete amalgamation of the previous definition. It states that wealth is used for employing scarce resources that can have substitute uses. The goods and services made out of the scarce resources are distributed to the society for usage. So this is it. Okay, that means under economics you can see various things are there.